Dean and Tony said we could use their western saddle. They'll get one. Yeah, I wish I hadn't sold that old Burford I had. That was a comfortable saddle.
Hold on with both hands. I'm gonna let you go, okay? No, baby. Hold on tight.
Can you sit good? You're sitting good. You've got a good seat.
How's it feel to ride this big old horse, Josh?
What is that?
Hey, Jazzy, remember what I said to make the horse stop? Remember what you say to him? Remember?
Whoa.
Say whoa.
Say whoa.
Say whoa, Sully.